How to change payment method on Amazon Prime Video. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change payment method on Amazon Prime Video. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Amazon.com. Go to Manage Your Content and Devices option now and further select the Preferences option you see on the toolbar. You will then see the option for Digital Payment Settings. Under Digital Payment Settings, tap on the Edit Payment Method. Now go ahead and select a different payment method from the list or add a new one and tap on the Continue button. You can also add or update your payment methods by visiting your Amazon wallet in your account. So, this is how you can change payment method on Amazon Prime Video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.